In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Clickup workspace. Navigating and managing workspaces in Clickup can sometimes feel complex, especially when you're trying to declutter your digital space or perhaps make a switch to a new team. Whether you're tidying up or moving on, leaving a workspace in Clickup is a straightforward process once you know the steps to follow. Let's walk through this together. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Clickup trademark website. This is your starting point. Clickup is a versatile app designed for work of almost any kind, promising to replace all other productivity tools with a single unified platform. Once the website is fully loaded, your next move is to sign into your account. To do this, locate and click on the Login option. This action will prompt you to enter your credentials, starting with your email. Type in the email associated with your Clickup account accurately to avoid any access issues. After entering your email, the next step involves typing in your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so ensure you enter it exactly as you set it up. If you've forgotten it, don't worry. There's usually a link to reset your password on the same page. Once you've successfully input your email and password, proceed by clicking the Login button. If your login details are correct, you will be granted access to your Clickup dashboard. After logging in, navigate to the Home vertical bar Your Workspace Name option, which brings you to the home page of your current workspace. Workspaces in Clickup are like separate accounts within your account, each possibly representing different organizations or projects you're involved with. The next critical step is to go into the settings of your workspace. You can find the settings option usually located in the lower left-hand corner or via your workspace's name on the top left. It varies depending on Clickup's updates. Once in settings, look for the Workspaces section. This area gives you an overview of all workspaces you're a part of. Since Clickup allows for multiple workspaces, identifying the specific one you wish to leave is crucial. After identifying the workspace, you'll then select it by clicking on its name or the settings icon associated with it. This action will take you to the specific settings of that workspace. Within the workspace settings, find the option that says Leave the Workspace. This is a significant step. Once you click on this option, you will be prompted with a confirmation message to ensure you're making this decision intentionally. Leaving a workspace means you'll lose access to its data and collaboration with the team members in it unless you're re-invited in the future. However, if you happen to be the owner of the workspace, the process slightly differs. Instead of the Leave option, you will see Delete Workspace. Remember, deleting a workspace is permanent. All data within that workspace, including tasks, documents, and conversations, will be irretrievably lost. It's a decision that requires careful consideration. Clicking on Leave the Workspace or Delete Workspace will prompt a dialog box asking you to confirm your decision. If you're sure, proceed. If you're deleting a workspace as the owner, you might need to follow additional prompts to ensure there's no data loss that you hadn't anticipated. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process of leaving or deleting a workspace in Clickup. This process can be a part of reorganizing your digital workflow, moving on to new projects, or simply cleaning up spaces you no longer need. In conclusion, whether you're streamlining your work environment or making a significant change in your professional collaborations, understanding how to manage your involvement in Clickup workspaces is essential. Remember, the digital space, much like physical space, benefits from regular decluttering and thoughtful organization. I hope this guide has been helpful. For more tips and tutorials on navigating today's top digital tools, stay tuned.